Element Splash weighs 205 grams and is IP67 certified, which means you can submerge a meter in the water for 30 minutes, as well as being resistant to dust and sand. Come on, ideal for the beach, the pool or even for the shower. Inside we find a 7W power speaker that promises, in the words of Transmart, high quality, deep bass, sharp treble and balanced sound. As far as the battery is concerned, the Element Splash has an autonomy of 10 hours and it takes 2.5 hours to charge through the micro USB port. It works with Bluetooth or with micro SD cards, so you can play both your MP3 files and songs from Spotify or YouTube Music. Well, this is not all. It also has the true wireless stereo system, which allows you to connect two speakers and get a more immersive experience, so if a friend of yours has one, know that you can get even more out of it.